So guys.
Okay, in this section, we're being introduced to polynomials. The video was actually just talking about the different parts of polynomials and the nomenclature, so you understand when someone asks for the leading term, you know what that is, leading exponent, that kind of thing. And then we also, in this section, are adding and subtracting polynomials. So, can anybody tell me the name of this polynomial?
Is it a polynomial of the first degree?
No.
Then no, I can't.
There's one term, so it's called a monomial. 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 Okay. Two terms.
Polynomial.
No, it is a polynomial, but specifically what kind? Binomial. Yep. Three terms.
It's a polynomial.
It is also a polynomial, but there's trinomial. Three terms, okay? So when we were doing quadratics are trinomials. You have an x squared, an x, and a constant. Okay, most quadratics are trinomials. When we factored the trinomial, sometimes we would get a squared binomial. Because it's two terms, and it's those two squareds. We call that a squared binomial. Okay? When you're dealing with a polynomial, the first thing you need to do is write it in order of leading exponents, in decreasing order. Okay? So if I have something like this, before you even look at it and analyze it, you must rewrite it so that the leading term is the highest exponent.
So I just do 7.
2x.
I just do 7 minus.
No, 2x is the highest exponent.
Okay, so that is it in its correct order. Okay, and once you've got it in the correct order, you can answer questions about this. What is the leading term?
2.
Nope.
7.
2x to the fifth.
Oh.
This whole thing is a term. This is one term, two terms, three terms, four terms. Okay, the leading term is 2x to the fifth. What's the leading coefficient?
X to the 5th.
Nope. Coefficient means the number in front of the x. So the coefficient is 2. The leading coefficient is 2.
Right.
Okay? What is the degree of this polynomial? 5. The degree matches the highest exponent in the polynomial. Okay? So know your nomenclature with polynomials. And then also understand how to add and subtract them. So I'll just do a couple of examples. Okay, how do I add these two polynomials?
First you need to put them in order. In the parentheses.
They are.
Here you go. Distribute.
Okay.
Distribute what?
The 1.
Ones.
Okay, so if I have just a 1 in front, I can just drop the parentheses, right? And then what?
And now you need to combine like terms, but you can only add or subtract exponents if their power is the same.
Good. I can only add or subtract exponents if their power is the
You
same.
can take 3x cubed to x cubed, and that will be 4x cubed.
3 plus 1 is 4.
Right. And then you can take 11 plus 9 is 20.
Okay, but let's do it in order.
Okay, so
Let's do the squares
8x
next.
squared,
Minus 5x squared.
x
X
squared.
Yeah.
And then 15x minus 4x.
So
Negative 15 minus 14 is negative 19.
And then positive 20 for 1.
Yep. Okay, so that's how I add those two polynomials. Okay, now let's do one with a subtraction.
Now the degree is 3, correct?
Degree is 3. Yep, the leading term is 4x cubed, the leading coefficient is 4. Let's do -1 here. Okay, so I'm subtracting these.
Okay, so distribute the 1 so you can drop your parentheses.
Okay, so I'll distribute the 1 here.
And then distribute the -1.
Okay, so tell me what it's going to be.
Negative 6x to the 4th power minus 10x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 1.
Good.
And then combine your like terms with
Okay.
the same power.
Okay.
So 7x minus 10x is negative 3x.
Okay, what's my highest exponent?
6x.
Can I combine that with anything?
4, sorry.
So I'm going to put that first.
So then 7x minus 10x is negative 3x. And then
Okay.
the negative 2x minus x is just x squared. Oh, negative 3x. Sorry.
Negative 3x squared. Sometimes it helps to just start doing this so you don't get confused with what you're...
And 4x.
It's just 0x.
Okay,
And then negative 5 plus 1 is
Negative
negative 4.
okay. So that's how to subtract the two.
This is actually pretty easy.
It's not bad,
I like it.
this
a lot.
section.
I was
Mhm.
going to say that.
Hey, yeah.
You're going to jinx it.
No, tomorrow we're going to learn multiplying and dividing polynomials.
That's not hard.
But today we're just kind of going to focus on adding and subtracting and then understanding the different key terms in a polynomial. Okay? So go ahead and work on web work and make sure you get 6-2 done by tonight. If you haven't already, get 6-3 done and work on your CK12. The test? Yeah? Yeah, don't forget the test, the grade is going in tomorrow.